In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Nelfund application. But before I dive right into the video, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop your opinion in the comment section. And don't forget to share this video to any of your colleagues that are looking to cancel their Nelfund loan in Nigeria. Welcome to Big Capital Intel, where we talk about finance, business, politics, and all the news going around the ecosystem. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So, if you want to cancel your Nelfund loan, all you have to do is open your Chrome browser. Now, go to your address bar and go to your Nelfund portal. As you can see, just like this. You have to wait for it to load. So once the page load like this, just click on login and log in to your Nelfund portal. So if you can't remember your password, you can simply reset your password using your email address or your NIN. But as for me, I will have to log in using my email address and my password. So I will have to pause this video to enter my credentials. So I have logged in to my Nelfund dashboard. So once you are in your Nelfund dashboard, just like this, before you request to cancel your loan application, the first thing you need to do is just click on this menu button right here. Click on loan. Now check your loan status. So if your loan status has showed disbursed, that means you cannot cancel your Nelfund loan again. But if the status is still showing pending or verified, you can still cancel your Nelfund loan. But if it has already shown disbursed, it cannot be cancelled. So once your dashboard is still in pending or verified, now here is how you will cancel. All you have to do is just click on the menu button again and go to home. So once you are in the home page, just scroll down and click on get in touch as you are seeing on your screen. Now it will bring you to this page. This is the Nelfund support page. So once you're on this page, click on raise ticket like this. Now click on raise ticket and let the ticket form load. So once the page load, you will have to fill in or fill out this form. So once you fill out this form, then you can proceed. Now to fill out this form, in this space here, you have to enter your NIN right here. You enter your name right here. Mind you, the name and the NIN you are entering in this form must be the same or must match with the one you use to register for the Nelfund application. Now you have to enter your email address here, also the same email address, your phone number, and in this category right here, you click on it and select loan cancellation. Now under the subcategory right here, click on and select cancellation. Now in this message box, you will give a genuine reason why you are cancelling your loan. Now I have written a well detailed articles that will teach you how to cancel your Nelfund loan with step-by-step image illustration. This is the article right here. So what you are going to do is just click on the link in the description below to go to the article, and in the article you will see a structured message that you can paste. All you just have to do is modify the message to your own, to fit your situation. Are you getting the point? So this is the message right there. Just go to the page and copy the message just like this, then come back to this Nelfund ticketing portal and paste it, then modify it, such as you can put your name right here. Successfully, oh, sorry, Yours faithfully, Temi Samuel. So put your name and you can read the message and modify it to your preferences. So once you are done, there's no need to attach anything. And if you like, if you have any proof or any image you want to attach, you can click on here and attach it. Then once you are done, just click on send. So within 48 hours, Nelfund will get back to you. I mean 48 business hours, not during weekend or holiday. I mean 48 business hours. So Nelfund will get back to you and tell you the status of your ticket. Are you getting my point? So I've been on Twitter, on Nelfund page on Twitter. I've heard many students or many users saying Nelfund is not responding to their ticket, or Nelfund is not responding to their what's it called, to their queries, right? So I want to let you know that Nelfund cannot reply you via email or on Twitter or any other means. So once you submit your ticket here, all you just have to do is come back to this ticketing page again, maybe after 48 hours. Then once you come back to this page, click on this menu button right there and click on my ticket. So once you click on my ticket, you have to enter your email address, and enter the phone number you use to register for your Nelfund portal, register for your Nelfund profile. So once you enter it like that, just click on login. Then you will log in. This thing will log you in. Then you can see all the tickets you've created on this portal. As you can see, I already created 2 tickets already. I created 2 tickets. So once you created the ticket, you will see those tickets here with their reference ID. So once you want to get if you want to get the status of the ticket, just log into this place and click on the ticket. So once you click on the ticket, you can get the status of the ticket. As you can see, this is the first message I sent to Nelfund, and this is their reply. So Nelfund used to reply users, but the reply will not be sent via email. So it is your responsibility to come back to the portal to check the status of your ticket. Are you getting the point? So many people don't understand it, that they have to come back to the portal to check the status of their ticket. Many people are hoping or are aspiring to see reply in their email. No, Nelfund cannot reply you via the email. All you have to do is just log into your portal. Now go to support, get support, then come back to this ticket right here and click on my ticket. Log in with your email address and your phone number. Then you will see the status of your ticket. So that is how to cancel your Nelfund loan. So once Nelfund get back to you, they will tell you what else to do. Maybe the loan will be cancelled or it cannot be cancelled. So you will get response from them and you can proceed from there. I hope you get value from this video. If you do, don't hesitate to hit the subscription button, like this video, and share this video to your friend and in need help just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.